vane pump is a positive displacement pump that consists of vanes mounted to a rotor. The vanes are on an off-center drive shaft. As the shaft rotates, the variable length vanes slide in and out to maintain contact with the pump housing. The tension in the vanes is maintained by either springs or hydraulic pressure. As the vanes rotate, they create chambers of varying sizes within the pump. Fluid enters at the largest chamber. As the vanes rotate and retract, the chambers get smaller, forcing fluid to exit through the discharge port. The advantages of vane pumps are that they can handle low viscosity fluids at relatively higher pressures, can dry run for short periods, and develop a good vacuum. Their disadvantages include complexity and their unsuitability for both high pressure and high viscosity fluids.